Guys, that's literally the same thing. It literally has the exact same 3, and then it has this. That's crazy. I just found a dropshipping store that's currently making over $500,000 every single month, and in this video, I'm going to be covering everything behind the scenes. I'll be going over the exact amount of sales they're bringing in, the website they're running, the Facebook ads that they're using, and I'll be showing you exactly where you can buy this product on AliExpress for only 99 cents. The craziest part about this brand is that they have over 7 million customers. They only have 4 products on the entire website. It's super simple, and I can't wait to show you guys everything behind the scenes of this brand. But before we get started, if you guys are interested in starting your own business on Shopify, I highly recommend that you get down to the first link in the description, shopify.pxf.io/grant, where you can get your $1 per month trial on Shopify. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you guys can see, this store has sold $534,000 worth of products in the last month. In the last week, they've done $122,000 in sales, and today they've done 18 grand. They have 390 current ads running, and this is the product. It's these earplugs that you can reuse, and they block out the sound, stuff like that. Here's the website that they run. It's called the earplugs that everyone is talking about. As you can see, 10 million earplugs sold. They claim to have 7 million happy customers, which is pretty crazy. Explore the loop range. They only have 4 different products: the Quiet 2, Experience 2, Engage 2, and the Switch. They all do different things, but all of them are like super cheap and simple products. Apparently they won some kind of award, so they're talking about that. But yeah, guys, super simple landing page. As you guys can see, the revenue for today is $5,000. This month, these white earplugs have brought in over 149K. The black ones did 90,000 and the clear ones did 60,000. I mean, they're all selling really, really well. They literally only have 8 variants. That's insane. Yeah, this is marketed towards people who are going to festivals and concerts and stuff, and they don't want to like damage their ears. Another thing that's crazy about the store is they have a $36 AOV when the product literally only costs 99 cents, and it could even be less for them. They've got all these different Shopify apps currently installed on the store, and yeah, so let's check out the ads that they're running on Facebook. But before we get into that, I want to quickly mention this video is sponsored by ShopHunter. Make sure to check out the link in the description below where you can start your free 30-day trial. So sign up and you can see all the revenue data just like this. You can track as many stores as you want, and you can look at all their revenue data, and it allows you to just keep a track on all your favorite dropshipping stores. The creator of ShopHunter actually just came out with a new software called FutureLib, and it shows you all the data about the Facebook ad account, which is super cool. As you can see, they have 3,300 current active ads. They have 3,000 followers on Facebook, and here's all the ads they're running. So you can see it's mostly like image ads. Tomorrowland, yeah, so that's a festival. Tickets are confirmed. Tomorrowland. Let's see what this video is. Do you guys snore? Cool. It's a good ad. I guess this would be nice on an airplane. Yeah, if these help you sleep, that would be pretty cool too. As you can see, this is a classic ad. That's funny. So as you can see, they're just running every single ad that they can. They've got a ton of image ads here, and yeah, they've got a super clean website. Let's check out the landing page for the main product. So pretty classic e-com landing page. Wow, this is cool. They got some nice product images. Seems legit. They got a couple of gifts here, and then the review section. Of course, you need review section, but their social media is where they really pop off. The reels they post are really good. Let's check out this reel. Oh, that's cool. You can take off the ear tips. I never realized you could take off the ear tips. That's a really cool feature. So it's a pretty simple product, but the craziest part is that it's on AliExpress for 99 cents, and it even comes with the case. So as you guys can see, you get the earbuds, the case, and the tips and the base. So yeah, these detach too. Look at these. These are even upgraded version. You could make your own dropshipping store and sell this one instead because they're waterproof or whatever the hell this is showing. I don't know. But here's what it comes in. It literally comes in the same exact package. That's literally the same packaging as on the other website. That's crazy. Wait, they didn't even change anything. That's literally exactly. Wait, look. They took it like a tiny bit and made it. Wait, where was it? Guys, that's literally the same thing. It literally has the exact same 3, and then it has this. That's crazy. That's literally crazy. They're selling the exact product off of AliExpress for 99 cents and they're marking it up to $25. That's literally insane. So that's pretty crazy, guys. We found the exact same packaging on AliExpress. All this company did was hit up the manufacturer for these and said like, hey, can we get our little logo on it? And they're like, yeah, order 10,000. And they're like, okay, we sold 7 million. So these guys are obviously getting this product for probably $1 or $2, maybe even less, honestly. But pretty crazy. You can see why it's so successful, and you can see why they have 3,000 active Facebook ads. That's nuts. That is actually nuts, because their profit margins are probably stupid. So they probably just dump money on ads, because that's the type of profit margins you need for dropshipping. That's what you need by perceived value. This is a little piece of rubber, but when you put it on a nice website like this and you put focus and stuff like this, you can get people to pay $25 for a piece of plastic. You can get people to pay $25 for anything, guys. It's literally a piece of plastic, and you could probably get like, I don't know, 500 of those little orange earplugs from Walgreens for like $10, and that's like a lifetime supply. Or you could buy these for $25, piece of plastic from AliExpress, and then lose one, and then it's useless. Nice. And then guess what? You have to buy another one. So repeat customers. Perfect. This business is just, they got a good mind behind it. So there you go, guys. That is the brand that's making over $500,000 every single month selling a $1 product from AliExpress with the exact, oh shit, they actually did a collab. That's sick. Tomorrowland, that's cool. I wonder if they did a collab with Tomorrowland or if they just like took the name or whatever. But Tomorrowland is like a huge festival. It's like a really popular music festival, so I bet a lot of people will buy these. But anyways, guys, that's the brand. As you can see, they're catering to their audience. They found their demographic. These are the people who like to wear them. They think they look cool, and they're willing to pay $25 for a piece of silicone. You can buy it right here on AliExpress. You can go over here to FutureLib and steal their ads, and then you can go on Shop Hunter and see how much they make. And then you can go on Instagram and take their videos, and then you can run them as your own ads. And you can make your own money dropshipping this product. Just a thought. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead down below and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.